Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing some staging in this bathroom. I mentioned in my last video that we are moving, so it is time to get this place staged and ready for the market. So I'm going to go in and remove all of my decor because I do want to get this stuff, packed up as much as possible. I want to change the curtains out because they are really old. I have decor over here. I'm gonna just take all of the decor out of here. And I do need to put the doors back on this vanity, but I have to paint them, so I'm not gonna worry about it right now. So I did team up with Mixtowel for this video. I have to give them a really big thanks for sponsoring it. And just to let you guys know exactly what Mixtowel is a site where you can go and print out your photos from Instagram or just on your phone. I went ahead and printed out some photos from the internet because I want to give this bathroom a spa-like feel, and their frames are peel and stick, so you don't have to worry about putting holes in the wall. So I have my order right here, and this is the wall art that I selected. So like I said, you can just go on your Instagram feed and print photos out, or you can just search the web. And if you do decide to get your pictures from the web, just know that it has to be a really high quality photo, or you might get a warning that your picture might not look so great if it's printed on these frames because of the quality. I did get that warning with my photos, but I decided to go ahead and select them anyways because I felt like they were like pretty high quality. But yeah, the site can like detect where the photo is coming from. But if it's like coming from your phone, you have pretty high quality photos on your phone or your Instagram feed, then you're not going to get that warning. I did decide to print one of the photos from my feed. I really wanted to see if it was going to work because I did print out like some family photos as well, like photos from my phone that I took with my camera, high quality type photos that I want to send to my mom. So yeah, but for this video I'm going to be using these spotlight photos. Let me show you the back so you can see exactly how it works. So you get a strip of adhesive and you can reposition your photos. So if you put it on the wall and you feel like you don't like the position, you can take it back off and stick it again. It will stick. And as far as the frames, you can select like different kinds. I wanted to do the black frame with this like white border. It doesn't come with a glass, guys. It's not like a glass on here, but I still think it looks beautiful without it, especially when you're going to do a collage. It's going to look great. And you can just get like a canvas where the photo is wrapped around the canvas, but I wanted a black frame, so I went ahead and selected that. But you can get a white frame. You can fill up the space with the photo. But yeah, I really love the way the border looks. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and use 3 of these photos. I have more, but I want to use them in my my master bath. You just take off the paper. So you just press it in, nice and firm. It doesn't have like a certain amount of time you're supposed to hold it against the wall for it to stick. And gonna wait. Let's see. Is it gonna fall? Okay, well, I think it's gonna be good to go. But I'm gonna take it back off because you're supposed to be able to take it off and put it back on the wall. So I will be like updating you guys, so maybe at the end of this video I'll show you like the next day and if the frames are still on the wall. So it is the next day and the decor is still on the wall. It did not fall, so that is really great. I'm done in here. Well, I do want to go and get some sheer curtains, some like white sheer curtains. I feel like it'll make it even more like airy and bright, but I just had these on hand, so I just put them up here and they match pretty well with the vanity. I still need to go and paint the doors and put the doors back, and I decided to go ahead and take out the floor mats and put some nice new towels up here. I love the way it looks. But yeah, and let me come on this side. I didn't put anything on this wall. I decided to just leave it plain. I don't want to have a lot of decor to pack up when it's time to actually move out. So yeah, just gonna leave that as is. And I just wanted to do one plant on the vanity and, you know, call it a day. I think this is nice enough, but I definitely want to go to Home Goods and see if I can find some sheer curtain panels to hang. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. That's gonna wrap up this video. Don't forget to check out Mix Towels. You just create your own photos and customize your frames and create wall collages. Is really great. Stick it on the wall and go. But yeah, check out the website. I'll have it linked in the description box. And I'm gonna move on to the next space for staging, which is the dining room, because it's gonna be pretty easy. We don't use it, so it's not like an area of high traffic. And yeah, I'm gonna stage that next. It might be my next video, or maybe I'll do like a pack with me, packing up my decor. I don't know yet, whichever one comes first. But I hope you enjoyed watching. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and thumbs up this video if you did enjoy watching. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.